I first started noticing the trouble with my knees about 10 to 12 years ago. Trouble at work, getting in and out of the truck, not being able to walk or run as well. It started to become a quality of life issue, so I went to see Dr. Farber and we tried some non-invasive stuff first, therapy and things like that. Finally couldn't take too much of the pain anymore, so surgery was finally on the table. Dr. Farber was very helpful, explained everything, told me that he does a lot and it's not routine for me, but it is for him. The whole team at Lakeland, from anesthesia to the nurses that prep me to the physical therapy people, they were awesome. It all worked out perfect for me. Quality of life is much better now. I can walk and ride my bike and all the old things with hardly any pain. Work is a lot easier. Getting in and out of the truck is easier. Hanging out with my grandkids, playing, kicking a ball around or throwing a baseball, everything is much better now.